Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Ace, and I'm so excited to be here with you today for our very first video. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey with me as we explore different aspects of Excel. Whether you're here for a quick tip or discovering the channel, I'm thrilled to have you here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on any future videos. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Welcome. Today we'll be learning about one of the basic and most frequently asked about Excel formulas. Vlookup. A Vlookup is composed of four parts. First, what you want to look up. Second, where you want to look for it. Third, the column number in the range containing the value to return. And finally, whether you want an approximate or exact match. Let's try it out. First, you will start by selecting the cell where you would like your result to be. Start by typing equal Vlookup, open bracket, or press tab and select the value to look up. In this case, population of Quebec. Then, select the range and column number where your result can be found. Really important is that the first column in the range you select must contain the value selected in the first part of this formula. In this case, the province name. And finally, we want an exact match, so we go ahead and select 0. Let's look at the result. As we can see, the population of Quebec is identical in both the data table and the result table. Go ahead and drag the formula to notice similar success for population of Ontario. Now, I encourage you to pause this video and try out the next table on your own before checking the result. Let's go ahead and find the capital of the following three provinces. As we did in the first example, start by typing equal Vlookup and select the value to look up. Next, select the range and column number in which the capital can be found, in this case, 3. And finally, since we want an exact match for the result, type in 0. Go ahead and compare your results. As we can see, Alberta's capital is Edmonton. This can be found in both tables. Now go ahead and drag that formula down for the two other provinces. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found it helpful, and leave a comment down below for any help you might need or next tip you would like to see.